Have you ever wondered how the rich, tangy, and perfectly smooth tomato ketchup that complements your fries, burgers, and snacks is made? The process is far more intricate and fascinating than you might think. From selecting the ripest tomatoes to bottling the final product, let's take a deep dive into the high-tech world of ketchup manufacturing. Every bottle of ketchup begins its journey on vast tomato farms, where thousands of acres are dedicated to growing the juiciest and most flavorful tomatoes. These tomatoes are carefully monitored for ripeness, color, and taste before they are harvested at peak perfection. Farmers use advanced agricultural techniques to ensure a high yield of quality produce, free from blemishes and rich in natural sweetness. Tomatoes used for ketchup production must meet strict quality standards. Harvesting is done either manually or with automated machines that quickly collect large volumes of tomatoes. The harvested tomatoes are then transported to processing facilities in temperature-controlled trucks to maintain their freshness and prevent spoilage. Upon arrival at the factory, the tomatoes undergo a rigorous cleaning process. High-pressure water jets and conveyor belts remove dirt, debris, and pesticides. Advanced sorting machines use optical sensors to discard any damaged or unripe tomatoes, ensuring only the best ones make it to the next stage. To achieve the smooth consistency that ketchup is known for, the tomatoes must first be peeled. This is done using steam blanching, a process where tomatoes are briefly exposed to high-temperature steam, causing their skins to loosen. They are then passed through mechanical peelers that efficiently strip off the skins without damaging the pulp. Once peeled, the tomatoes are crushed and pureed into a thick, smooth consistency. This is achieved through industrial grinders and refining machines that remove any remaining skin and seeds. The resulting puree is heated to kill bacteria and preserve its natural freshness. Ketchup is not just about tomatoes. It's a carefully crafted blend of spices, vinegar, sugar, and salt. Each manufacturer has its own secret recipe, ensuring a unique taste profile. The precise amount of each ingredient is measured and added to the tomato puree to create the perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. To achieve a uniform and consistent flavor, all ingredients are thoroughly mixed in large stainless steel vats. High-speed blending machines ensure that every batch of ketchup has the same smooth texture and rich taste. The mixture is then simmered at controlled temperatures to enhance its flavor and achieve the right thickness. Before being packaged, the ketchup undergoes a sterilization process to eliminate any potential bacteria. Factories use high heat treatment to ensure the product remains fresh for an extended period. Additionally, quality control tests are performed to check the ketchup's viscosity, taste, color, and pH balance, ensuring it meets industry standards. Once the ketchup passes all quality tests, it moves to the bottling stage. Automated machines fill bottles with precise amounts of ketchup at high speeds. Each bottle is sealed immediately to prevent contamination and preserve freshness. Modern factories use vacuum sealing technology to keep air out, ensuring a longer shelf life. After bottling, each container is labeled and packed into cartons for distribution. Labels contain essential details like the brand name, ingredients, expiration date, and nutritional information. The packaging is designed to be appealing, durable, and convenient for consumers. Once packaged, the ketchup is distributed to grocery stores, fast food chains, and restaurants worldwide. The next time you squeeze that perfect dollop onto your meal, you'll note the incredible journey it took to get there, from farm to factory to your plate. Ketchup isn't just a condiment. It's a result of precise science, expert craftsmanship, and high-tech engineering. And now, the mystery behind this beloved sauce is finally revealed. If you've enjoyed learning about the history and production of tomato ketchup, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious discoveries and insider looks into the world's most iconic snacks and treats. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.